In this video, I want us to take a look at two different mining ongoing projects, and that is TikCoin network and TokCoin network. The first one is TIK and the second one is TOK. They sound similar, but they are of different projects. So I'm on the verified Twitter page of TikCoin network now, TikCoin network core team. And this guy is having over 35,000 followers on their verified Twitter page. I'm going to show us in this video on how you can mine TikCoin network if you have not registered for it. And I also drop my referral link under the comment box of this video. So let's check what they posted recently on their verified Twitter page as at 21st of November. Here they said, "Big news, TikCoin family, you choose it and we listened. Today, we've made a bold move that will shape the future of TikCoin. We've drastically reduced the maximum supply from 7 billion to 3 billion, 7.7 billion to 3.3 billion. Why did we do this? Because TikCoin is not just a coin. It's a community, a vision, and a movement. By reducing the maximum supply, we are creating more value, more potential, and a stronger foundation for everyone involved. This is a step that will benefit all of us and strengthen the coin we are building together. This change represents more than numbers. It represents our commitment to you, the TikCoin community. Every voice, every idea, every contribution shapes the path forward." So these guys have tried to reduce their maximum supply from 7.7 billion to 3.3 billion. That is over 50% reduction in the maximum supply. Yet they said, "We are building something bigger than a coin, something that stands for collaboration, innovation, and trust." What this means for us, a scarcer supply means each coin counts more. That's it. Once a coin is scarce in supply, that means it's going to attract more value in the long run. A clearer vision for growth and long-term success. Stronger community power. Because TikCoin is about all of us, we are making TikCoin future-proof, dynamic, and driven by its people. Your opinion, your engagement, and your energy are what truly define this journey. Together, we are not just observing the crypto world, we are shaping it. So in case you have not registered for TikCoin network, I will drop the referral link for registration under the comment section of this video. Just make use of it to register for this TikCoin network. So once you have registered, just come to this place here. You will see mining button here. You click on the mining button here. The mining session of this coin actually runs for that's 10 hours. So you have to keep on renewing your mining session at every 10 hours interval. Then you come here to earn more. And if you want to copy your referral link, just come to this place here. You see my partner network. You click on my partner network here. Let me click on it. Then here you can see my partner invitation code. You click on this code to copy it. Then this is the code that you have to copy. You see your own code once you register for this TikCoin network. Daily task is the other ways you can earn on this TikCoin network. Complete mining challenges and collect bonuses. So for 7-day login streak, you are getting a reward for that. Sharing of posts in the social feed, you are getting reward for that as well. 14 days login streak, 30 days login streak, 45 days login streak, 60 days login streak. Invite 5 level 1 partners, 10 level 1 partners. So it goes on like that. For each of these activities, you are getting TikCoin reward for them. And it is good to note that TikCoin actually has its own wallet. Let me click on the wallet here. So here you can see the wallet and also the test wallet. On this TokCoin network. So they posted this recently on their verified Twitter page. I like to share information from their official channel. And here they are talking about their listing, they are talking about their KYC, and also their tokenomics. So let's read what they posted here. "Dear TokCoin community, we want to give you complete clarity about the next big steps. KYC opening. KYC is going to start on the 1st of January 2026. If you can remember, These guys have promised that they're going to do their KYC on the 1st of October, but now the KYC process has been postponed. It has been shifted to 1st of January 2026. Our compliance team and the official KYC provider are finalizing the required documents with state authority. This ensures that when KYC starts, it will be fully legal, secure, and internationally compliant. Now, about their listing, they said listing on the 5 biggest platform on the 1st of February 2026. These guys are promising us that they're going to get themselves listed on February 1st, 2026, and they're talking about 5 biggest platform here. And my question is that, are they also including Binance in these 5 biggest platform? 1 month later, TokCoin will officially be listed on the 5 largest crypto exchanges worldwide by aligning KYC first. We give TokCoin maximum trust and credibility, and this opens the door to this major listing. If you have not registered for TokCoin network, I will drop the referral link under this video. Just use my referral link and download the app, then register for this TokCoin network. It's actually one of the projects I'm bullish on because of their tokenomics. It has just 8 million total supply, just 8 million total supply. So they said, why this is good for all of us: your coins and mining are safe and unaffected. KYC adds trust and long-term stability to the entire project. The listings will bring global visibility, liquidity, and new opportunities for TokCoin. We understand that patience is not always easy. Yes, it's true, because these guys were supposed to have been listed by November, but now they have shifted their listing to February 1st of next year. So we understand that patience is not always easy, but these milestones are worth the wait. TokCoin is not rushing. We are building a foundation that lasts. So in summary, on the 1st of January 2026, KYC begins, and on the 1st of February 2026, there will be listing on the top 5 exchange platform. Together, we are proving that TokCoin is here to stay. To everyone who stays with TokCoin, you are the real strength of this project. In the end, those who believe will be the one who win the most. Nobody is forced to continue mining. If you wish to leave, you can request account deletion. Meanwhile, we are also banning over 50,000 scam accounts that violated our rules. This will make the community stronger, cleaner, more rewarding for the true partners who are still here. This project actually has just 8 million total supply. That is crazy, guys. So yeah, I'm having just 1,330 TOK presently, and then you can see these are the bonuses, and this is how to mine this token. It actually works for 12 hours interval. I just click on start mining. Once you have registered with my referral link, click on start mining here. So let me check the white paper here. The white paper. Please like this video and also subscribe if you are yet to do so. So this is the white paper. You can see the vision and the mission. They are all here. So this project was actually launched on May 1st, 2025. And the mining starts also on May 1st, 2025. And we expect the KYC to start at October 1st. But now it has been postponed to January 1st. And the official listing is supposed to have happened on November 1st, but now it has been postponed. It has been postponed to February 1st of next year, and the tokenomics is here. Token name is TokCoin, ticker symbol is TOK, and the maximum supply, guys, is just 8 million. This is the allocation breakdown. Community mining is 100%. This is one of the coins that you should not joke with by mining it. Ensure that you are mining your TokCoin and you are not skipping any day on this coin. I have just 1,330 here. My goal is to have like at least 2,000 before the listing. Just 8 million, which means it has a high chance of being listed at a price at least above, let's say, $1 when it is time for listing. So guys, you can trust me that I will surely update you for any further information about this TikCoin network and TokCoin network once there is official information from the team. Thanks for watching guys, and let us meet in my next video.